Hello, in this video we would like to demonstrate how you can enable, manage and generally use the keyboard clipboard on this Motorola Moto E40 smartphone. First of all, you want to launch the keyboard. At the top part that contains all these various icons, tap on this icon that stands for the clipboard itself, then turn on this toggle in order for your clipboard to be activated. If you would like for some elements to be removed, tap on the pencil, select what elements you would like to get rid of, and then click on a trash bin. If you want for any new elements or any other elements to be added to your clipboard, you gotta simply copy something, should it be character, word, sentence, or whatever. So I'll type in the word cat, select it, copy, and once I'll get back to my clipboard, I will be able to clearly see that the cat word has been successfully added as the most recent element of my clipboard. Now if you would like to paste something or paste any element to the typing bar that I have launched the keyboard with, I can simply tap on an element that I would like to use and it will be successfully pasted. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and bye bye.